How to connect to the hidden Wi-Fis. Hello everyone, my name is Smile here to guide you how you can do it. So to know how you can solve this or do this, watch this video till the end and follow the following steps. So the very first thing that you should do is scroll down to the notification bar. When you do that, you will see there is a Wi-Fi option. Just tap on it. Now you will see there are many Wi-Fi options right here, and you can even scan for the Wi-Fi if you want to refresh it again. By scanning, all the Wi-Fis will be refreshed and the available Wi-Fi will be popped up on your screen. But how do you search for the Wi-Fi that is being hidden? So the thing about searching them is the very first thing you should know is you should know the name of the Wi-Fi. If you know the name and the password of the Wi-Fi, then there is no problem to connect this Wi-Fi. Simply go on manually add and then type the name of Wi-Fi, and if you know the password, then simply type the password and then tap on join button, and just like this you will be entering and connected to the hidden Wi-Fi. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Also comment on the comment section for tips and notes.